Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about why your Google Ads is not showing. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome, and then here once you're in the Chrome you have to just simply type in Google Ads, and then you have to choose the first website from here. And once you click on the first website you have to choose the sign in button or the start now button from here, and once you click on the sign in or the start now button from here, it will simply take you to this page, and from here in the campaigns icon in the left hand side you have to just simply click on campaigns, and from the campaigns icon you have to just choose the campaign again, and here you have to just click on the campaigns that you would like to choose. And here you can see the status is already showing. Here is the ended, that means the campaign is already ended. The paused means that all ads are disapproved, that means the ads are not showing. So you have to just simply solve the issue like that. And here you can see there are lots of options. There are paused as well. The campaign #1 is also paused because there are some issues, so you need to fix those, and you have to just start it again. Then you have to click on the ads icon from here in the below. Here you have to just simply click on the ads icon again. Once you click on the ads icon, here you will get all the option, and here you have to just simply click on the ads again from here. And here you will get the option of enable, pause or remove. So you have to just make sure that you have enabled your ad perfectly, and that's how you can just make sure that your ad is showing to other people accurately. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.